Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Our host for the month of April is Kathy. She selected this awesome mood board as our inspiration piece for the month of April, and she also gave you and I challenge to scrapbook some of the Mini Kit Monday ladies, or all of us Mini Kit Monday ladies, whatever your heart desires. I chose to scrap lift a layout from each of the Mini Kit Monday ladies. This is my final layout, and it is from Daisy. I went to her Instagram account and I selected this one from July 30th, 2018. I just love Daisy's style. It is so carefree, but put together. But look how she just has a way of doing her clusters. And I mean, when you watch her, she just can make the decisions very, very quickly. All right, off to my layout. So these are the products that I pre-selected. Just like on Daisy's layout, she has washi tape, so I selected a yellow, this leafy one, this one that says hello, because she has a washi tape with words that says awesome, which I love that. And I have that kind of mint color, but no words on that. No words on that particular washi tape. Let's go over the papers first. I have Photo Play, my 12 by 12 from Wild Love, and this paper here is called Wild Love, and that's my 12 by 12. And here's the opposite side with all these cute little cards. I love this bear. I don't know what I'm going to do because I kind of want to use that bear. This one is from Shannon, a box of crayons, and this was released in 2017. Do not care for that side at all, just not my style, not my taste, but I love this side here. All right, what kind of embellishments did I pull? Here we go. So I have some stars. I have this puffy adventure sticker from Heidi Swapp, and all that's from Heidi Swapp. I have a picture of a bear from the zoo. This is a very, very, very old life card, and it has zoo all over it. I have binoculars. I have some One Canoe 2 stickers. I have some puffy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio, and then a couple little tabs. And this is, I think, from a Dear Lizzie or Amy Tan paper. So this is the layout that I am scrap lifting that Daisy created July 30th, 2018. Oh, and I almost forgot. I had this miscellaneous paper here. This one here, I'm not sure what collection this came from. This might be a Close to My Heart paper. And then another from Photo Play, Stuck on You. From Photo Play, this was one of my favorite collections, and matter of fact, that's how I kind of got hooked on Photo Play, was from this collection. And this probably is my last little piece of paper from there. And all this stuff kind of reminds me the different wonky designs of, you know, the zoo. I don't know why, but it does. All right, I am going to pause the video. I'm going to create my layout, and then I'm going to come back and go over my process and, of course, show you my finished layout. All right, so I'm going to pause you for just a minute while I create for about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, but you're just going to see the finished product. Okay, I am back to reveal my finished layout using this layout that Daisy created July 30th, 2018 as my inspiration piece and somewhat scrap lift. All right, I'm going to show you my layout. Didn't that turn out cute? Cute. So what I took from her layout is the layering behind the photograph. I just didn't make mine as large, not too much smaller, but just a little bit. I put my washi tape here where she has her washi tape down here. She has like a somewhat of a title over here. It says, yeah, cool. I don't have that, but I do have embellishments just like she had. Then for her cluster up here, she has a circle element. I used a 4x3 card pre-printed with the zoo. So I added some foam bears here, and I don't know if you can tell, this is mountain peaks here, that's foam, and then the binoculars I tucked underneath there. So I did create a cluster layer in the upper right hand corner of my photo. I'm sorry, upper left hand corner of my photo. She had a cluster over here, so I created my cluster. Take my distressed oxide and black, and I smeared over it, and it gave that nice gray look instead of a white, because your eye was just like going right to that white, because I don't really have any real bright white on this layout. So that fixed that. I put the washi tape hello behind there, and then I have two half circle stickers from the One Canoe 2 collection. Then in this little kit I had these funny looking green star colors and have struggled using those, but it just added the right punch of color behind on top of this pattern paper. Just perfect. It's like, you know, in between this yellow, but it has a green undertone to it, so I loved it. This worked. This made me happy to get these stars used up. Then from the Pink Fresh Studio, I used this sticker here that says "Let's Get Lost," and oh, and then I added me a little bit of Dilution Shimmer Spray, and perfect color that goes with this green, but adds that little shine and metallic to it. Love how this turned out. I hope that you are enjoying all the other Mini Kit Monday ladies layouts, scrap lifting each of us Mini Kit Monday ladies. I will have their links listed below in the description box. Give a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment, you can do that as well. Share our channel, but most importantly, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Be prepared to come back for May. We have a twist for May, and that's it. Have a fabulous day. Have a fabulous week. Bye.